Queen Hair. This is Queen Hair.
I'm at Queen Hair.
At Queen Hair. I'm in Queens. I came to Queen Hair.
Queen Hair in Queens.
Queen Hair Inc.
Queen Hair.
Queen Hair with Queen Hair Inc.
I am at Queen Hair.
Queen Hair.
Queen Hair
From Queen Hair.
Their hair very strong. I'm gonna start buying wholesale.
Best quality hair. I cannot wait to try it out. It's long, 26 and 28 bundles.
It's still soft. It still doesn't shed.
This hair is so soft. The split ends are perfect, and the weft is amazing. The hair doesn't tangle. Guys should really try to come and purchase some Queen Hair.
And they have halfway wigs. Their hair is very beautiful, guys. Come shop with Queen Hair.
The hair is so good. The texture is good. It lasts so long.
I'm pleased with the service. Great customer service. The service is amazing, and I've been coming here for years. The hair feels good, so you guys please check it out. The best hair. I had it before, and I love it. So come on down to Maspeth, Queens, and get your hair.